Welcome on YouTube. Morning. This is the 4th of January 2018. In the new year, another wake and bake. Bless up, everyone. Wagwan. Much love worldwide. And the guests in here just gonna have a smoke sesh, wake and bake with you guys, and then get my day started. So bless up to everyone that's tuning in, stopping by, showing love. Remember to hit that thumbs up button and said bless up to everybody. Wagwan, my people. Much love. And gave precious life to me. Best up, Rob and Nia. What's up? Wagwan. Much love in the place. Good morning from Jamaica. It's 10:45 right now. Wagwan, my people. Good deeds are remembered in the hearts of mine. Forevermore. Bless your heart. I'm not good to myself. 44 here in Houston. Nice. Taking a vacation to the Caribbean by chance, Ravania? If so, July. What's going on, July? February, March, April, May, June, July. July is party season. You're gonna come down. You're gonna have beaches, parties, and a lot more to enjoy. Yeah, July is near the ending of soca season. Yeah, man. And I hope your journey, your trip is fun. I hope you make it to Jamaica so I can be like, hey, Rob, Nia, go drive road and go Duns River and those places. By the way, I went Duns River for the holiday. It was awesome. It was amazing, guys. Sadly, didn't get to take any footage. No footage was taken. Only a couple pics with the missus, but didn't have the camera around. Sadly. Oh, coming Jay, bless. Yo, I said, just tell me what you want. Food, beaches, and if you're a connoisseur of the cannabis, weed. By the way, what are you guys looking forward to when coming to Jamaica? I live here, so I don't know what's exciting for tourists. So, what are you most looking forward to when coming to Jamaica? Parties get lower. And again, there's a party almost every night here in Jamaica.
So in the other one in the master room, you know the lamp, so we just fly past the moon. This are no baby high, me and no unicorn. We see it in gates, and I saw me make a soon. I have never been before, we go some places where some artists never toured.
Want to take a picture for the gram? Touring, partying, and beaches. Well, driving around is not a, a bad thing. It's really, really fun. Trust me, there are some scenes in Jamaica that you want to get to see when you're on a bus or something. And parties, yeah, have enough parties. So you're well set. We have enough beaches, we have enough parties, and you can go all over. Not everywhere, but make sure so you reach the safe areas in Jamaica. Enjoy your trip. Cigarette cause black lung cancer at the marijuana radio.
I have never been before, we go some places where some artists never toured. One after one, we got my hustle bag on work. Well, I'm definitely sure. Mama used to tell me that you used to tell me more. Big ways, them nothing never more. Cigarette cause black lung cancer. I the marijuana, me and work. I make the phone when I make it. And that's where they make them take it. Sure. I believe for sure. Don't worry. I'll be said, it's not an easy road. I'm in the city, now I'm on the guitar, so they think I better rose. Me say,
Who feels it knows? Ooh.
every Sunday, these blues I cry. It's not an easy road. I'm in the city, now I'm on the guitar, so they think I better rose. Me say, who feels it knows? Ooh, Lord, every Sunday. Why? I'm living in a world to enter this world. Let me know you want to overcome first. Throughout every day, they seem to get worse. Oh my God, cast away disgust. Everybody are trying to make every way. When I them endeavor, now can you see? No matter what the world may say, out that street. Must have to survive on, I'm sending me. Now I'm free. Dying children, God, oh, dying tonight, still been it's not an easy road. I'm in the city, I'm on the guitar, so they think I made a rose to say. Oh,
Best up Lemon GF in the place for go on Lemon.
You got to stay right. Follow the headlines in our both sides. How we can disappear, free for your side. Right on, let's prevail. It's down by my side. Shoulder from the way. You're leaving to die. It was hard. I'm up on the night. Hold up my head and cry. I tell you now.
It's not an easy road.
Oh no, it's not an easy road. I tell you, it's not an easy road. Oh no, it's not an easy road. Why I've been traveling morning with such a heavy load. Don't waste no night, you're not the road. Don't put down my bird alongside the road. Oh, I got to hold it. Yeah, I got to open myself like a child. I'm moving face up to
Watching and watching from a distance. Bless up to Lemon J for being in the place. And yes, man, laundry day. We all can relate. Not an easy road indeed, Buju Banton. So just chilling with you guys, wake and bake as usual, and just relaxing. Don't got much to talk about, but anything you want to talk about, I'm more than down, more than ready, more than up. We're going East Coast Solace in the place. So we got Robin Nia, we got Lemon GF, we got East Coast Solace. Bless up to the people them for showing up. Much love and thank you guys as always. And good morning to you, East Coast. Most times we hear about black, we hear about black magic and black witches. Black list, black book, black market, black Friday, spend off your black witches. I've never seen a doctor in black, nor seen a black beauty cure, no black beauty. But I've seen bush doctors like Cash and Marley, resurrect like a real black beetle. Malcolm, Marcus, Martin. When you see what I run, the hospital. Oh, you not hear about how we love it. Oh God, you guys just lost power. Hopefully there are no plants in Hydra that go and suffer because of that. One of the things I don't like with Hydra growth would have a power outage if it's not on a backup. Well, you got to pray to the heavens that it comes back as quick as possible. You will behave on a one like you never spent 500 years on a farm. The same tree and you will be on a one is another black life. You see early on. Find out how my bird got you will then. And I know how my bird got you will then. You work out just to get a black yard. Same yard when you swipe by up your black you will then. Hold on. I see enough faces now. But this is not a racist song. This is a song for the children who was never told about where the race is from. You never hear it in the favorite songs. Everybody come as a slave. Well, hopefully it comes back soon, Silas. Hopefully it comes back soon. As I said, dealing with the indoor grow and power outages is not the best thing. Girls getting cold and no lights, oh man. In my world, everything black. Black, white, black, right back. So don't be surprised if it's everything black. Cause they never told us that black is beautiful. They never told us black is beautiful. They never told us that black is beautiful. They never told us. They never told us that. Oh no. I hear multitasking on YouTube and on Instagram, both social media platforms. Preacher is preaching, good God, things that he preaches. I wonder who taught him to preach. Bless up to everyone in the place. Much love from Jamaica to you guys. That's true. Sit back and get high and just watch for that electricity to come back. And bless up to Dutch Grow in the place. Big up the chief. Well, go on, my brother. Real chief, the general in the place. Itchy nose. No dancer. Ready for the lights. Well, hopefully everything can be set back for you, East Coast. As I said, hope the light come back so the plants them can get the heat. Don't like when systems are down and we don't know what's going on. Emerald Island, Jamaica. Emerald Island, Jamaica. In a sec. Maybe the information is processed somewhere in my brain, but let me give them a quick Google. Oh, those people. Yeah, Emerald Island. Medical marijuana. I was actually walking by and listening to the radio while in the town yesterday, and they were talking about the different strains that they have, high grade premium strains. I'm like, wow, industry I kick off 2018. So yeah, Emerald along with Medicanja, whatever they want to call it, and a couple others are here in Jamaica. Really nice companies. I'm excited that the platform has begun here. Hopefully, I can join in soon and make my name in this little country here. And bless up Jada Seeds in the place. And that's close. Soon Chalice time. Soon Chalice time, Chief. I got three spliffs already rolled. Got the chalice ready. Soon start out. Soon start up the blazing.
King of kings, Lord of lords.
But how is everyone today? Best up, good morning. Well, go on, people. What you smoking on? What's good?
It's me again, God, and the time is today. Help me, God, I pray. It's me again, God,
As
and
I
the
fall on my
time
knees
is
today.
today. Help me, God, I pray. Preserve my soul today. I look around the world today. Oh, God, and you will see.
Life is good indeed. Life is blessed.
Take love and vanity. But I know you control my destiny. And for you I'll pass you through. From yesterday, even today, and tomorrow. It's me again, God. As I found my knees today. And with God I pray. No one I can. It's me again, God. As I found my knees today.
Okay, so that split is done. Ready for the next one, people? 5 points. Kush and dabbing this morning. Bless up Judah Seed. By the way, normally I don't do shout outs, so yeah, I'm going to do shout outs to all my YouTubers, everyone in chat right now. Yo, so first we're going to start off with chat. We got Robin Nia, bless up, visiting Jamaica soon. So make sure it's on the start out. So bless up to Robin Nia. We got LMG, Lemon GF in the place. Much love, my brother. East Coast Silas, fresh from Canada. Just kicking back and getting high. Much love to my brother. We got Dutch Grove for 20. Bless up, bless up. And we got the chief in the place, the real original general, the chief. Much love from Jamaica. We got NorCal Nugget. What's up, my brother? It's been a while. Hope all is well and a happy new year to you. Also, bless up Ben Inya, Jackie 420, Mr. Sparks a lot, Tricky D Labs, Dirtman, Tanasi Grow, Patrick the Soul King. Who else? Who else? Who else? It's on the top of my head. Yo, Big Toke, Creepy Crawler, AJ, 420 Dean Blazing, 420 Mad Blow, Geeks and Glob. Yo, bless up everyone on the YouTube platform. Bless up everyone in the world. Much love to everyone. And one love from Canada. Bless up to the chief. Ooh, seal, light all drop, and last. But lucky for me, took the advice from you guys and I always have an extra lighter. Lighter somewhere. But for now, extra lighter. Cheers, everyone. Some Barrington Levy.
She said, come and get your son. Cause I don't want your baby to come tie me down because you are old and I am young. That's why I'm young. Yes, I wanna have some fun. Run me down. Should live out a
What do you want?
sweet.
Cause I'm broad. I'm broad.
I'm broader than Broadway. Yes, I'm broad. I'm broad. I'm broader than Broadway. When you go to working, it's like a stage show. You have man that swing DJ and pull it down the jelly, oh, swing. And you think the mama wrote tell me to dance. She didn't have a thought, she didn't have a thought. She said, well, it's a big word. And that started to run a rock down. 2 months later, she said, come and get your son. But I don't want your baby to come. Time me down and pass you are old.
And I am young.
Just while I'm young, yes, I wanna have some fun. Run me down. Should I walk, whoa, swing, exercise.
Exercise, exercise with an boys way.
Extra broad, extra broad, extra broader than Broadway. And the intercom rolls the time to come to town. Have a daughter to get up a son. Here I come, here I come. Sweet, 'cause I'm broad, I'm broad, I'm broader than Broadway. Yes, I'm broad, I'm broad, I'm broader than Broadway. Over the ocean and over the sea, all of the girls them are
Mad over me.
ooey, see, I'm looking to borrow to tell me to come. Said she didn't have a daughter, she did have a son. She said the lift doesn't work, run up the stairs and come. Cause if you don't come, you never gonna see your son. So I grabbed a bunch of roses and I started to run. Here I can. 2 months later, she said, come and get your son. Cause I don't want your baby to come tie me down across you are old. And I am young. That's why I'm young. Yes, I wanna have some fun. Run me down. Should I rock, move, swing? Cause I'm broad, I'm broad, I'm broader than Broadway. I'm broad, I'm broad, I'm broader than Broadway.
Blessings, Piccolo. Well, go on, my brother. Everything airy, man. Blessed to have you here, my brother. And you should be expecting a package soon. Thank God. Bless up to everyone here. The challenge took very far, but we still eventually reach feet.
In this world of calamity, dirty outside, bloodies and jealousy, and police where you use them and everything. Be the clowns when I know about variety.
The youngest veteran I go murder them, so ragamuffin. And bless up J Town, Juggalo, Wagwan, my brother, much love. Happy New Year to you, and glad you're here. Glad you made it to 2018 with all of us. We got to keep it burning. Clean and pure meditation without a doubt. Hey. You got to keep on walking.
Sometimes I can't help but feel helpless. I'm having daydares and daytime wide awake trying to relate. This can't be happening like I'm in a dream while I'm walking. Cause what I'm seeing is haunting. Human beings like ghosts and zombies. President Mugabe holding guns to innocent bodies. Kids surviving. They make germ folks seem godly. Sacrilegious and blasphemous. In my lifetime, I look back and paths I walked where savages fought, pastors taught, prostitutes starving out here, boots, badges screaming. young black children stop how they shoot. I look back and look back, watch cars that pass by. Jaguars, bad flies, and I'm guilty for my tribalism. Blacks are still up in the prison, trust that. So save me your sorry for raising the army. Revolutionary warfare with Damian Marley. Sparking the irons, marching the time. You know how nice be, NYC, state of mind. In this world of calamity, dirty looks and dirties and jealousy. And police
They abuse them authority.
leaders don't let them know about loyalty. Single parents, you need some charity. You should need some love and prosperity. Instead of broken dreams and tragedy. By any plan to get the means and strategy.
You got to keep on walking.
On the road, say on the hey, we got to keep it burning. On the road to Zion. Now we be waiting there with the show. Now we be waiting there. Zero meditation without a doubt. Now when I'm checking, I move them to road. Now we be waiting there with the show. Now we be waiting there. In this world of calamity, dirty looks and grudges and jealousy. And police will abuse them authority. Leaders don't let them know about variety. Single
Alright, Piccolo, hopefully reach before then. The package I wait for you. Dreams and tragedy, love and prosperity. Oh, by the way, guys, I got some roots yesterday. There's this guy walking around selling some roots. This is for my bladder and overall testosterone level, aka strong back. It helps with my digestion, immune system, and as I said, strengthen my body. Where are the other two? Same for the other two. Basically, immune system strengthening the body, regulating the overall circulatory system, cleaning out the body, all of that good stuff with the bush tea. Got these four parcels, and what I'm basically gonna do with them is brew them all together. Just take a piece from each, grind it down, and just brew it into a tea. Add some honey, and that's me, all detoxed and healthy and ready to go. Just the other day, I actually got some ginger from the local market. The ginger roots, ginger roots. Let's see if I can get that. I'm supposed to look for cocoa for you, but I think I can get it best if I go back to like where mom lives, country, because I'm supposed to visit my grandma's grave and everything. So when I go back to country, I can get all of the sucklings and the seedlings straight from the not even garden, the land. Where did I put that? Give me a second, guys. Well, we talk about how we're gonna package the cocoa, but since I can get the ground produce, the seeds and those stuff, might as well share the culture, share the fruits from nature. I rather send you guys healthy stuff than anything that will mash up on the system. Okay, so don't dry it out. Let it stay wet and put it in a Ziploc bag, basically. I'm wondering if I have the land space to grow the cocoa. The apartment complex accommodates my plants, but I'd have to set up a additional structure for anything else. I'll eventually do that. I want to grow my berries and my plants as well. So Ayana. So my chalice. Sorry about that, guys. Just setting up the chalice. Yeah, second. So I'm back and best up to everyone. Just getting the chalice set up, then fully set it up. Sorry about that.
Now I know
Almost.
Now I know. 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 He give you more
Yeah, man.
and even less. If some things never change. Cause here I am alone again. I find that I
Cheers, everyone.
think of things we used to do. Guess that's only me. And all the stages we've been through wasn't meant to be.
Where's the other light, though?
Grandma said that I could have my dream. At least if nothing else. And mama never raised no
Ah,
food. Can feel things for myself.
I'm back, guys.
Used to be unbreakable. Thought this bond would never break. But nothing's permanent in life. All except for change. Now I know. Now I know. Now I know. Now I
Ah,
know. Now I know.
they're sitting properly now.
Now I know. 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 Now I know.
And if I could pass this through the screen, I'd pass it to everyone. Trust me, you soon get fit off for yours. I'm glad that you are getting to finally. Sorry about the long process with the shipping.
Please do nothing else. And mama never raised no fool. Can feel things for myself. Used to be unbreakable.
So cheers to everyone.
Bond will never break.
Chalice hitting very smooth. Yeah, man.
Nothing's all except for change. Now I know. 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 Now I know.
Wow. My lungs felt that. Wow. Mm. Now top out. No shakiness. 2018, no shaky warrior.
El amor es puro. El amor entiende lo que nadie puede entender. You never see it coming. Quiero amarte por siempre. Enséñame cómo amar incondicionalmente. Unconditional love. She ain't looking for no day.
Ain't looking for no boy.
Just somebody to love. Unconditional love. Whoa. First of January, said you're starting over. Your heart's been in remission.
You can do this. Oh.
And it's been 6 Just as soon as you say hello, hello, you never see it coming. And the next thing you know, unconditional love, unconditional love. You're looking for no diamond, they're digging for the gold. Just somebody to love, unconditional love.
Can you weld iron? No, I cannot, but Helix can. Helix is a certified welder. I'm the IT guy and growth specialist in the group.
And I went to the corner store and I forgot what I went for. Just as soon as you said hello, hello, never saw it coming. And the next thing I know, unconditional love, unconditional love. I ain't looking for no diamond, ain't digging for no gold, just somebody to love, unconditional love.
Change up the song a little bit. Actually, I feel airy from the chalice hit there. Like it just wake me up. Nice. Invented a new jerk chicken stall. Shot. Um, One of the most ingenious things I've seen them do for a jerk chicken stall are a grill pan. They got the gas cylinders, right? The empty ones. I don't know how they do it, but they cut it open or weld it open. Sorry. They weld it open and just put on hinges so they can basically have a grill inside of a gas cylinder. That's awesome. A clean up time for LMG, so no worries, my brother. Best up the American one in the place. Much love, my brother. Yes, you should sell it in Bermuda. Jerk chicken worldwide. Skanking sweet. Everybody wanna feel like free. Forget your troubles and you rock with me. You know feel already music sweet. Skanking sweet. Everybody wanna feel like free. Forget your troubles and you rock with me. You know feel already music sweet. Skanking sweet. We skanking till I want it go. Until the day. By the way, guys, I'm going to head off, get the day started, going to the town, get some work done, hand out some resumes. So, best up to you guys for being here. Much love from Jamaica, much love worldwide. And the bamboo smoking device, yeah, I'll take a pull before I leave the American one. It's a kicking in the morning. As I said, go head off, get some breakfast, get some stuff done. Bless up to everyone for showing up. Happy New Year, much love worldwide, and I said chalice it for the road. Hold it like a boss. So bless up to everyone, much love. That was a great chalice hit. Bless up to everyone. Thanks for being here. One love to everyone. Bless up from Jamaica to Canada, UK, America, Bermuda, worldwide. Much love. Not dying. And no deading. No shaky warrior.